To Rowan, love Uncle Mark and Auntie Maria.
Can I open it?
That one's to you and Rowan. That silver bag is for you.
That's for Gracie?
Yep.
This one?
Yeah. That's to Gracie from Auntie Jill and Uncle Jeff.
Well, who can open it? Oh! I got something!
Oh, tape like that. That's a Rough Riders coin.
What?
Just wrap, honey. Just wrap.
Did they get you paper, Gracie?
Oops, that's to Rowan.
Rowan, look what you got there.
I can't see.
That is very nice. It's on your head. Take it off your head. Did they send them that? Look at that.
Yeah.
That's a Harley Davidson shirt. That's a motorbike shirt. You know Uncle Jeff's motorbike?
Yeah.
Well, that's what motorbike drivers wear. Harley Davidson shirts.
Oh.
You know that big
Yours
bike?
is in the red bag back there. Sorry.
What's here?
No, the red bag.
You gonna say thanks to Aunt Jill and Uncle Jeff? Rowan,
What?
you gonna say thanks to Aunt Jill and Uncle Jeff on the camera?
Thank you.
See, look at these. The Harley Davidson jeans, too.
Jeans too?
Yeah.
Oh wow,
And then look at this shirt. Isn't this cool? It's just like what Uncle Jeff has.
that is very cool.
Yeah.
We'll have to wear that to.
Ed just sent a picture of Uncle Jeff in his shoe, so you can see what it looks like.
Oh, excellent. What did you get, Gracie?
Whoa, I got something.
Oh, you got something over there.
Yeah.
How come we're doing
Gracie,
two at
what'd
once
you get?
here?
Yeah,
in a
exactly.
box.
Gracie, you got a nice
Skates!
sweater from Auntie Jill and Uncle
Skates!
Jeff. Harley
It's a sweater.
Davidson, too.
It's skates.
Wow,
It's
it's
skates.
pink, Gracie.
Look
Gotta
at
get
the
into
sign here. Skates.
Yeah.
It's
New skates.
Yeah. That's
Who's it from?
Uncle Mark and Auntie Maria.
Why did they send me skates?
Because they know you like to skate. Uncle Mark's a hockey player, so he likes skating too.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
Gracie, can you turn around? Let me see the front of your sweater.
I
Nice.
can take it down.
That's from Aunt Jill and
We'll
Uncle
do it
Jeff.
in a bit, honey. Can I see your skates?
My skates.
Mark and Marie got you skates?
You want to open it? Okay.
Oh, yeah. Good skates, Rowan. We'll have to go skating.
Wow, cool.
Can you say thanks, Mark and Maria?
It has thanks.
Oh, that's to me, I think.
Hey, I found something for you. Ah, the bag. Oh, wow.
That says to Mom. Love Dad, Rowan, and Gracie.
Give it to Mom.
And you.
Yeah. That's
Can you
to me.
open it?
That's for me, honey.
Give it to Mom. She's got to open it.
This one does not say Rowan. What does it say?
Okay, just wait. I'm opening mine now, okay?
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hey, can you
For
read
the-
this? Doesn't say Rowan. Does
you.
not say me.
What does that say? It says to Grayson. Love Uncle Mark and Maria.
Hey, this one is yours, Gracie.
Okay, push it over there a
Hey,
little bit,
guys.
Gracie, so we can get you on the camera. Okay, open it up, Gracie.
Hey, what about this one?
Wait. So
Let's wait,
Gracie's
Rowan.
done.
Let's watch Gracie. Let's see what Grayson gets, Rowan.
Just waiting.
Okay.
Rowan. Wait. For you.
This one says
That's
Rowan.
Gracie. That's from Uncle Mark and Auntie Maria.
This one says Rowan.
Gracie, can you look at the camera and say thanks to
This
Mark
one
and Maria?
says Rowan.
Thanks,
To who? Uncle Mark and Maria?
Uncle Mark and Maria.
Auntie Maria.
Auntie Maria.
Rowan, you can open that one?
Go ahead. You know who it's from?
Nope.
Mom and Dad.
Oh yeah. Cars. What? Huh?
What did I open?
Wait for Ren. It's pretty cool. Bring me your helmet, honey. Let me see. Thank you. Okay, thanks.
The snake tries to get the cars.
Yeah.
Those are cool cars.
Okay, Gracie, can you grab another gift?
That one? This one says, to Rowan and Gracie from Mom and Dad. You guys can open it together.
From one to Gracie from Amanda.
Hey, Mommy. I like it.
Good.
I never had this before.
No?
No.
What?
It's a hippo game.
Yeah.
What is a hippo game? A hippo game.
Okay, let's pick up some of this wrapping paper and put it in the garbage bag so you can
Okay,
find your
pick
way
it up.
through.
Mommy. Here, Mama. Here. Ah, you dropped them out of my hand.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah.
What's that? Thank you.
The bow.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Mommy, can we open this?
You're done opening your presents.
Okay. Hey, the mower.
Yeah.
Okay.
there's more.
Hey, let's open this one. That says Gracie. Gracie. Says Gracie.
Hey, who's it from? You gotta look and see who's it from. It says, to Grayson, love Auntie Jill and Uncle Jeff.
Another one? They already got you a sweater.
Whoa, this is pretty bigly. Pretty bigly. Oh, wait.